Architecting a pharmaceutical sales organization is like designing a high-performance building. Every detail matters, from the foundation to the finishing touches. Imagine a team of architects poring over blueprints, debating the best way to create a structure that stands the test of time. In pharma sales, structure is everything. It's not just about hiring people. It's about creating a blueprint with clear roles, defined territories, and measurable performance metrics. Like a building, the organization must be designed for both strength and flexibility. In India's highly regulated pharma sector, compliance is the foundation. Just as a building needs a solid base to stand tall, a sales organization needs strict adherence to rules and ethics. Compliance documents, government guidelines, and the Uniform Code for Pharmaceutical Marketing Practices are the blueprints that guide every action. Without them, the entire structure risks collapse. The sales organization is the engine driving commercial success, from medical representatives on the ground to the national sales head at the top. Each role is like a critical component in a machine. Medical reps deliver accurate product information to doctors, while managers ensure strategy flows smoothly from headquarters to the field. But every team member must strictly follow the Uniform Code for Pharmaceutical Marketing Practices. A strong structure ensures the right message reaches the right doctor, building ethical, long-term relationships. When the structure is sound, trust grows. Doctors rely on accurate information, and patients benefit from safe, effective treatments. But if the design is flawed, cracks appear. Poor organizational design, like ignoring where doctors are concentrated or misaligning sales and marketing, leads to inefficiency, internal conflict, and lost opportunities. Imagine a building with rooms in the wrong places or missing support beams. The structure must be robust yet flexible, preventing internal conflicts and ensuring clear communication. Like the central nervous system in the human body, the sales organization relays strategy to the field and brings market insights back to headquarters. This two-way flow keeps the organization agile and responsive. Without a solid blueprint, even the best products and people can't succeed. The right structure is the difference between lasting growth and repeated failure. In India's complex market, designing a modern pharma sales organization means blending science and art, balancing compliance, strategy, and people. Get the structure right, and you build a foundation for ethical, high-performance success. The Indian pharma sales hierarchy is a well-oiled pyramid. At the base, medical representatives, engaging doctors and chemists. Area business managers coach and monitor teams, translating strategy into action. Regional and zonal managers oversee broader regions, focusing on strategy and resource allocation. At the top, the national sales head steers the entire operation. Marketing and sales must collaborate. Product managers craft the message, sales delivers it. Information flows both ways, strategy down, market feedback up. This structure ensures accountability, compliance, and unified execution. Rigid, one-size-fits-all structures often fail in India's diverse market. Assigning all products to one rep in a metro leads to shallow engagement and poor results. Mismatched sales force skills, like pushing complex oncology drugs through generalists, damage credibility and sales. Indian Pharma now uses hybrid models: generalist teams for mass brands, specialist teams for high-value therapies. Specialists cover larger areas but focus on fewer doctors, enabling deeper expertise. This hybrid approach balances broad coverage with targeted, impactful engagement. Over 70% of top Indian pharma companies now use hybrid structures. The right structure matches salesperson, product, and customer for optimal, compliant performance. Sizing the sales force is a strategic balancing act. The workload method is standard: calculate target doctors, set visit frequency, and determine total calls needed. Example: if 20,000 doctors need varying visit frequencies, tally the total calls, then divide by how many calls one rep can make monthly. This ensures the team is sized for real market needs, not guesswork. Other methods, like incremental response and competitive parity, help fine-tune the number. But aggressive sizing can't compromise compliance. Pressure tactics are strictly forbidden. The right size maximizes coverage, controls costs, and upholds ethical standards. Data-driven calculation is key to effective, compliant sales execution. The process is scientific, but always grounded in regulatory realities. A well-sized team is the backbone of successful pharma sales. The best structure fails without the right people. Recruitment starts with planning, sourcing, screening, and rigorous interviews, focusing on integrity and learning agility, not just past sales. Field assessments and structured interviews ensure candidates fit a culture of compliance. Companies now use psychometric tests and prefer training fresh graduates to avoid importing bad habits. A case study, revamping hiring and coaching, cut attrition and compliance issues dramatically. Managers should oversee 8-10 reps for effective coaching and compliance oversight. Coaching is hands-on joint fieldwork, real feedback, and skill development. Internal promotions, from MR to ABM to RBM, build leaders with deep field experience. This pipeline sustains culture, compliance, and performance. Talent and coaching turn structure into a living, thriving organization. Territory management divides the market into balanced, efficient units for each rep. The goal: equal workload and sales potential, minimizing travel and maximizing doctor time. Steps: define control units, like districts, estimate market potential, combine into territories, and adjust for balance. Workload models ensure fairness and efficiency. Assigning territories considers reps' home locations for better work-life balance. Today, digital tools and GPS-enabled CRMs replace paper maps, optimizing routes and territory design. Managers can visualize doctor locations and adjust territories dynamically. This tech-driven approach keeps territories balanced as markets shift. Smart territory management boosts morale, performance, and compliance. It's a complex puzzle, but digital tools make it precise and adaptable. Organizational design is a living process, not a one-time event. Market shifts and digital channels demand constant adaptation. The modern sales rep is now a key account manager, scientifically savvy, data literate, and digitally fluent. Compliance remains the non-negotiable core skill. New products like biosimilars have created roles like nurse support teams, focused on patient care, not promotion. Structure must follow strategy. Unique products require unique support. Success rests on two pillars: a smart structure and a robust management system. When these align, the sales force becomes a strategic asset, compliant, motivated, and effective. That's how Indian Pharma builds lasting growth in a complex market.